Hey guys, Frankie here. Hope you're fantastic today. Okay, so today I wanted to make a quick update regarding Kangot's, and just to highlight the fact that how quickly things change. I mean, last month we were right in the middle of the pandemic, and I was complaining. I mean, of course I was complaining because of the pandemic situation, and everyone was struggling financially, emotionally, at all levels. But regarding Kangot, I mean, they cut the profit in half last month, and I was quite upset when I shouldn't have been, because they've always mentioned that they're paying from 0.005 to 3% per day every day, Monday to Friday. And yes, zero point 0.5 was part of the deal. I mean, we could expect zero point 0.5 days. And it was the case for quite a few weeks. So when I started Kangot, let me show you guys. I started Kangot probably on the 23rd or 22nd of March. And I was averaging 1%, 103, 108, 109, 107, 103. And then all of a sudden, overnight, I went from 103% per day to zero point 0.5. And that was a few days after joining. So can you imagine how pissed off I was? I was like, oh my goodness, they were just waiting for me to join in, and then they cut the profits in half. How dare they? And I was like, oh, I didn't say it's a scam or anything, but I was like, oh, look at that. I couldn't believe it. Just a few days after joining, cutting the profits in half. Can you imagine? Anyhow, so it went on like that for quite a few days, and I made a few videos about it, and I was saying, yeah, it's a bit upsetting, but at the same time, it's part of the deal. We we are to expect between 0.5 to 3% today every day, and because the pandemic situation, yes, it's okay, because the CEO was not basically was throttling the accounts, and he wasn't giving the full balance to his traders to trade. That's the reason why at the time 0.5% was basically the minimum amount the CEO was guaranteeing, to make sure that yes, we're still getting paid, but at the same time it was allowing the platform to be sustainable. Having said that, yeah, it was a bit frustrating. So 0.5, 0.5, and I was like, yeah, it's gonna come back to normal. And slowly but surely, we started climbing back up. So 0.6 on the 6th of May, 62, 63, back to 59, 63, 66. And then the last 3 days of that particular week, the week ending on the 22nd, I was like, whoa, something happened. A switch has been flipped, okay? Because we went from 0.57 to 92, 94, 91. And I was like, oh, something is changing. Like the CEO said, and as he promised, as soon as the pandemic would be over, we would go back to normal rates, which I believe are between 1 to 1.5% today. And I was like, okay, maybe it's a fluke. For that week, it's a fluke because we finished on three strong days. Maybe it's a fluke. Let's just wait. Then we finished May on 0.9%. And I was like, okay, that's cool. Let's see if it's confirmed. Now, let's have a look at June, guys. Look at this. Look at this in June. 0.5, I mean 0.95, 97, 1.03, 1.03, 1.05. I mean, we started June like a rocket, like a SpaceX rocket. So, I mean, yes, I wouldn't say concerned, but I was slightly annoyed by the low daily profits in April. But whoa, boy. I mean, yes, we've come back from that. We've come back from that, and now we're averaging 1% a day every day, Monday to Friday. And that's great. That's great because it proves again that this platform is all about sustainability. It's all about long-term profits. And I believe yeah, we're gonna be able to not only maintain these high daily amounts, but we're going to be able to improve that. So that's great. I mean, just wanted to report this because again, I don't do much about Kangot. I mean, I'm not trying to build a huge team. I'm not even binary qualified or anything like that. So for me, it's more about the passive side of this business. And I like getting into platform where I know I can win without building any team, without any referral, without trying to ask my neighbor to join in or my mom to join in. Or no, I want it to be completely passive. And so far, I got to say that Kangot has respected that because yes, they cut the profits in half in April because of what we know, but they are coming back very, very, very strongly. And it's great to see. I mean, if you guys want to consider Kangot and add it to your portfolio, we can definitely do so and see what you think. I mean, the CEO is doing Zoom calls every week in English and Spanish. He's expanding his business into his own exchange and everything. So, I mean, I think Kangot is here to definitely stay. And let's have a look at my ROI with Kangot here because I just wanna. Yeah, okay. So I'm close to $400 in lifetime earnings here. I've received a couple of commissions for my referrals here and there, but I mean, so far so good with Hangout. I'm very happy with the last few weeks, and I can only see that as a confirmation that things are slightly picking up. And again, if we look at the last few days, quite impressed with the 95, 96, 03, 03, 05. That means I don't even need to build a team. I can just leave it in the background to grow earnings for me. And if we if we maintain this pace here, we're going to be averaging 20% 20% profit per month, which is pretty good. I mean, your bank is not going to give you that. Or yeah, so I think we we're back to, let's say, higher earnings and higher daily profit with Kangot, and I'm very happy with it. So again, if you wanna follow up and follow along my journey, you can like and subscribe and see how I'm progressing with Kangot. But so far, I've been pretty happy with it, and let's just hope for the best. Again, as you know, the key is to diversify. The key is not to marry one single platform. The key is to get your eggs into several baskets. So I'm in Kangot, I'm in Mind Capital, I'm in 3X Capital, and I'm soon gonna enter a new platform, which I may have talked about in the past, but I will let you guys know what I'm deciding to do with my crypto. All right, this is Frankie, and I will speak to you soon. Take care, guys.